How y'all feeling?
Let's
You
go
feeling
to
all right?
Tarpon Springs Hippie Fest in Tarpon Springs,
That's your
Florida.
hint for the next.
Original, like you would get it from 1977, what way it came from the factory. It's got a stove, a sink. Under there's actually a refrigerator. There's a little porta potty also. So this is all original. The top, the canvas has been redone, the fiberglass has been redone, and it's got a new coat of paint. But my wife and I sold our house after 30 years and moved into this. So for a year, there was no going home. This was home. Those stickers you see way up on top, that's a bunch of the places we visited in the area.
In case you guys didn't know that Tarpon Springs is known for their sponges, that's why it's called the Sponge Dogs.